Yeah.
Alexander, are you happy with the result 1-1?
Yeah, I mean, it's all right. We wanted more and we wished for more, but the game considered and everything, I think it's okay.
The first half, I think we were not the best team. We played a lot better in the second half.
Yeah, I agree. Peter, he told us what to change in the halftime, and I think we did very well in the second half. We had the ball a lot, had patience, kept the ball good, played it around, and we had some chances to win it as well.
What did he tell you during the interval?
Just we had some good periods also in the first half, and we needed to continue it and maybe bring the game a bit higher up and stay more together and press higher as well, so we could keep them under pressure. Didn't give them time, so I think it worked pretty well.
If I look at your performance, you were playing together with Maric, and it seems to work out all right.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty easy actually. Mir is the best player I've played with in the defense ever. So he talks to me and wins all his duels, so it makes it easy for me.
Is he your coach in the game?
Yeah, no. The coach is still Peter, but he's a kind of mentor for me in the game and also outside the pitch. So yeah.
You seem rather confident, or is that just an impression? But you played against Anderlecht, now against Zulte. Those are the top of the Belgian league. But you seem to be very confident. Is that one of your characteristics?
Yeah, I guess so. I'm a calm person and shows off on pitch as well. I don't make hesitated decisions. I try to at least. And yeah, all in all, I'm a pretty solid, calm guy on the pitch.
Okay. Now you're here for about 2 months, I suppose. How is life in Belgium?
I enjoy it. It's pretty much the same as in Denmark, but of course there's some smaller differences. But it's easy to adapt, and I don't need much in my life, so I'm happy.
Yeah. And as far as football is concerned, this is the best team you have ever played for till now?
For sure. It is.
What kind of team did you know about, or what did you know about Lokeren as a team when you came here?
Actually, not so much. When I first heard about it, of course, I started to search online and spoke to guys about it. But I just knew that they have won the cup in Belgium, and obviously would be a good team then to join. Then when I came, I saw the setup, I saw who the coach was, how he developed me, and what possibilities I had coming here. So for me, it was easy. Yeah.
What we know about Scandinavian people is that they learn languages very easily. So the next interview will be in Dutch?
I don't know about that, but I'm pretty confident that I'll learn the language.
You're learning already?
Yeah. I started school last week here in Lokeren, Abend School, so it's good.
Okay. And can you say something to our fans in Dutch already?
I can ask how late it is.
Okay. Thank you very much and good luck.